Hello, smart business owners and marketers. In the last video, we have discussed about the structure of Google Analytics 4. We have given a overview on the whole dashboard of Google Analytics 4. So today we will deep dive in the admin section. So if you hit the admin, then we can see that there is in the left panel there is total three things here. One is admin. Under admin, this thing is here. So first one is preference. You see the preference is actually what you actually wanting to get the feature announcement, feedback, testing offers from Google is or not. So it's up to you. If you want to select something like offer from Google, then save changes, it will be changed and you will get any notification from Google if they give you some offers. And under my preference, you see a setup assistance. So setup assistant is the assistant that will help you to give a overview about the configuration of your Google Analytics. So there is total 8 milestones here that need to be get done for your Google Analytics for fully configured. So here we can see that we still didn't have actually not configured any. So once we have fully finish it, we will get this setup assistant and see how the status is there. So first we get this account setting, and under account we can see the account details. So let's see the account details. Account details are the things that we give input the information when we create this account. All of this thing is there, so nothing new, so we don't need to touch there. So the second important thing is here account access management. So sometime maybe you are trying to give access to your account, a freelancer or under your company employee. So you can give the access from here. Just click on the account access management, and then you can see here a big plus icon. So if you click on this, so you will get these two options. One is add users and another one is add users group. So if I hit on add users, then you can see I just put it here a mail ID, and now the role is which role you actually want to give this mail ID. So standard roles are administrator. This is actually need for administration or configuration or take care of this account. This is the higher level of the access. Under this is editor level access, which is edit data and setting for the account but cannot manage users. So marketers, if you give them a marketers level access, then they can only edit audience, key events, attribution models, look back windows, event for account, and include analytics role. So third one is analytics, can share created explorations report to others under a business group. Uh, and third one is viewers. He or she can only view the reports and analytics reports but cannot do anything. And none is no assign. And data restrictions, so there you can also apply data restriction, no cost metrics and no revenue metrics, that actually we don't need. So I prefer to give a access to administrator. This is actually the highest level access that need to maintain a Google Analytics account. So if you want to hire a people or give access, so you can do whatever is flexible for you and then add it. So the mail ID will receive a notification in the Gmail, and then he can get the full access. Under this you can see another two option, that is account change history. Actually we don't need right now. You can explore it later. And account data API and trash, both of them I can tell right now you don't need this, we will just skip it. So after this you can see that there is property setting. So up under the property setting we see the property. Under this property menu we have lot of issue, lot of things. First is the property details. If you hit on the property details, then I can see that the information we put during the analytics account creating, same thing, so we don't need to change anything. And also property access management, you can see here same thing. If under your account you have multiple properties, like when a business is big business and different marketing team is working, so there under same business they have different property, and each property is managed by a individual marketing or promotional group. So that's why sometimes you may need to give access to a different group or different people to property level. So from here the same thing as I show you in the account level access. So same thing here, you can just add people and give the role or user group access here. So this is the actually two important thing of account details. One is the account setting and another is property setting. So in the next episode we will uh, explore about the data collection and modification. So right now, thank you, see you later.